Welcome to another exciting video from CLG Machines. If you're passionate about how modern technology transforms agriculture, or if you're just curious about the fascinating world of rabbit farming, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of rabbit farming in China, a country that not only leads in global rabbit production but also continues to innovate with food industry machines that make the process more efficient and productive. Before we dive into this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into food processing technologies and agriculture machinery. Your support helps us continue exploring these incredible industries. Now, let's explore the process of rabbit farming in China, starting from the initial stages of breeding all the way through to the final product processing. You might be surprised by the scale and technology behind this booming industry. China is home to one of the largest rabbit farming sectors in the world, producing over 500 million rabbits every single year. The global rabbit production industry as a whole is worth approximately 2.2 billion rabbits annually, and China plays a pivotal role in this market. The rabbit farming process in China. Selection and breeding, laying the foundation for healthy rabbits. The foundation of successful rabbit farming begins with the selection and breeding process. Whether you're raising rabbits for meat or fur, ensuring that your herd is healthy and productive starts at this critical step. In China, there are two main methods of breeding: natural mating and artificial insemination. Natural mating, a traditional and widely used method, involves allowing male and female rabbits to mate freely. While this method works well in many cases, the rise of artificial insemination has become a game changer in modern rabbit farming. Artificial insemination (AI) offers significant advantages over natural mating, particularly in terms of efficiency and scalability. In fact, AI has a higher conception rate as the semen is directly introduced into the reproductive organs, increasing the likelihood of successful fertilization. This method allows for better genetic management and greater control over breeding outcomes. For large-scale farms, AI is an essential tool, allowing them to increase productivity without needing to rely on a larger number of breeding males. The flexibility of combining both natural mating and artificial insemination methods helps farmers achieve the highest efficiency. By selecting the best rabbits for breeding and using AI when necessary, Chinese farms can maintain a healthy and genetically superior herd that is optimized for both health and productivity. Raising baby rabbits from birth to weaning. Once rabbits are bred, the next phase of the process is raising the baby rabbits, which is a crucial step in ensuring the future success of the farm. Baby rabbits or kits are born without fur, their eyes are closed, and they are extremely fragile. They rely entirely on their mother's milk for the first few weeks of life. Rabbit milk is incredibly rich in nutrients, providing the essential vitamins, proteins, and fats needed for rapid growth. This is why ensuring that mothers are healthy and well-fed is critical. Many farms provide supplementary nutrition to the mother rabbits to ensure the best milk quality for their young. Without proper care during this early stage, the kits would be at risk of poor health or death. As the kits grow, they begin to develop fur and open their eyes, which marks the beginning of their transition to solid foods. Weaning typically happens at around 4 to 6 weeks of age. During this period, it's important to provide a nutritionally balanced diet for both the mothers and their babies. Proper feeding practices at this stage lay the foundation for the rabbit's health and productivity later in life. The role of pellet feed, nutrition, and efficiency. One of the most important components of modern rabbit farming in China is the use of pellet feed. Pelletized feed is designed to meet the specific nutritional needs of rabbits, and it offers several advantages over traditional loose hay or grains. Pellet feed is meticulously formulated to ensure that rabbits receive the right balance of proteins, fiber, and vitamins. The process of creating high-quality pellet feed is complex, involving a careful selection of ingredients and scientific methods to ensure consistency and safety. Feed ingredients are carefully inspected and mixed. Then the pellets are formed, dried, and packaged for distribution. The use of pellet feed helps streamline the feeding process for large-scale farms. It reduces waste, ensures more accurate feeding quantities, and helps maintain the health of the rabbits by providing consistent nutrition. Moreover, it is more cost-effective and environmentally friendly than traditional feed sources, which may involve more waste and spoilage. Farmers also use automated systems to mix and distribute the feed, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing the risk of human error. These food industry machines are a key part of increasing productivity and ensuring that rabbits receive the nutrition they need for optimal growth. Vaccination and health management, preventing diseases. As with any livestock, maintaining the health of the rabbits is paramount. Disease outbreaks can be devastating to a farm's productivity and profitability. In China, rabbit farms take a proactive approach to preventing diseases by vaccinating rabbits against common infectious diseases. Vaccination is an essential part of health management, helping to reduce the incidence of diseases such as myxomatosis and viral hemorrhagic disease (VHD), which can wipe out large numbers of rabbits if not managed properly. Aside from vaccination, regular health checks are conducted on rabbits to identify early signs of illness. Whether through manual inspection or using more sophisticated diagnostic tools, these regular checks help prevent the spread of disease and ensure that any health issues are addressed before they become severe. Farmers also employ various disinfection methods to maintain a clean and disease-free environment for the rabbits. These can include liquid disinfectants, as well as fire sterilization techniques, both of which help reduce the presence of harmful pathogens in the rabbit enclosures. Rabbit processing, from farm to table. Now that we've covered the key stages of rabbit farming in China, let's turn our attention to the next crucial phase, rabbit processing. Once the rabbits have reached maturity and are ready for market, they are transported in large batches to processing plants, where modern food industry machines come into play to ensure efficiency and quality. The evisceration process, preparing the rabbit for meat production. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the rabbits are immediately prepared for slaughter. They are hung by their hind legs on hooks, which secures them in place and makes the cleaning process easier. This method allows workers to efficiently clean and process each rabbit, ensuring a high level of hygiene throughout the operation. Evisceration is the first step in the processing procedure, where the internal organs are removed. This is a delicate task, as certain organs, such as the liver, heart, and lungs, are retained for further processing or can be sold separately. As you might imagine, this is where automation and food industry machines really make a difference. Many processing plants now use automated eviscerating machines that ensure the removal of internal organs is quick, consistent, and hygienic. This technology significantly reduces the chances of contamination and helps streamline the process, making it more efficient and safer for workers. Cleaning and spicing, enhancing the flavor. After evisceration, the rabbit carcasses move to the next step, cleaning and spicing. The cleaned rabbits are placed in large rotating drums, which are then filled with a mixture of spices and seasonings. This seasoning process ensures that the meat is infused with flavor, creating a product that is not only fresh but also delicious. The rotating drum ensures that the seasoning is evenly distributed over the entire carcass, providing consistent flavor. Once the seasoning is applied, the rabbits are taken to the drying section of the plant, where they are dried to further enhance the texture and taste of the meat. Meat cutting and packaging, preparing for distribution. Once the rabbits are stored and ready for distribution, they are transferred to the cutting machines, which carefully slice the rabbits into various parts. These parts include thighs, torso, back, and smaller sections such as rabbit chops. The cutting process is done with precision to ensure that the meat is divided in a way that maximizes its usability for consumers and minimizes waste. At this point, the processed rabbit meat is ready for packaging. Depending on the demand in the market, rabbit meat can be packaged fresh for sale in local grocery stores, or it can be prepared for export. The packaging process typically involves vacuum sealing or using specialized wrapping materials to maintain the product's freshness and quality. In large-scale operations, automated packaging machines help streamline this process, ensuring that each piece of meat is sealed securely and labeled for retail. High-tech food industry machines are used to handle everything from weighing to sealing, making the packaging process both quick and efficient. These machines reduce labor costs and improve accuracy, ensuring that every package is consistent in size and weight. Distribution and market demand for rabbit meat. Rabbit meat is widely consumed in China, with an estimated 300 million rabbits being eaten each year. This impressive figure reflects not only the popularity of rabbit meat, but also the cultural significance of this protein source in Chinese cuisine. Rabbit meat is versatile and can be prepared in many ways, from stir-fries to soups and barbecues. In Chinese cities, from bustling urban centers to small rural towns, rabbit meat is available in local markets, restaurants, and even on the streets as street food. It's common to find vendors grilling rabbit meat on skewers or preparing it in spicy, flavorful dishes that highlight the rich taste of the meat. This market demand fuels the need for high-efficiency processing plants and technological advancements that allow farms and factories to meet consumer expectations. At the same time, rabbit meat's popularity is not confined to China. The global market for rabbit meat has been growing, driven by its lean nature and the increasing demand for sustainable protein sources. As a result, China's large-scale rabbit production facilities and efficient processing plants play a significant role in meeting global demand, ensuring that rabbit meat can be distributed to a wider audience. Conclusion. The journey of a rabbit from the farm to the table is a carefully orchestrated process that involves a combination of traditional practices and cutting-edge technology. In China, the rabbit farming industry has evolved into a high-tech, efficient operation thanks to the use of food industry machines at every stage of production. From breeding to evisceration, seasoning, and packaging, technology ensures that rabbits are raised and processed to meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. Let us know in the comments if you found this journey through rabbit farming and processing interesting, and if you have any questions or thoughts about the process. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more groundbreaking machines in the food industry.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.